Good day, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. The year has ended, so only a few days left, and then we are in 2022. Right? I can't wait for 2022. So I decided to record this video just to do just the last week, like the last week of 2022 market focused. Sorry, 2021. Yeah, market focus. I'm already in 2022. So I'm just gonna be choosing random pairs, and then I'm only gonna be working on weekly time frame, So I'm just gonna be giving you setups for the end of this year and for next year also, in one video. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna start with GU. So currently looking at GU, we're in a downtrend, right? We're in a downtrend, so I'm expecting price to come and retest on our trend line, to give us that touch, and then we can start dropping. So that's what I'm expecting. So this week, just look for buys on GU, look for buys on GU on lower time frames. You can just scalp buys until and the TP can be at 1.35422. That's where your TP can be at, and you just look for buys, right? So that's gonna be it on GU, and then we're gonna see how we close the week here, so that we can decide whether we're gonna continue with our buys or we're gonna continue with our sells, and also the main direction we're looking at is going down, which is a downtrend. So let's just wait for price to push up, and then see from there what happens. Okay, let me see, which one can I choose? I'm just gonna choose anyone. Let's go with AUDUSD. Go with this one. This used to be my favorite pair. Okay, looking at AUDUSD now. I'm also seeing buys this week. I'm also seeing buys on AUDUSD this week, and your TP can be at these areas there. That's where your TP can be at. So I'm also looking at buys this week, and if just see, so I also see a possible sell happening maybe next week, but for this week I'm only looking at buys. Well, you can also throw it like this. Yeah, let's use this 2 points and then just delete this one. So looking at AUDUSD, I'm also looking at buys this week, and we can wait for a touch on our trend line and start looking for our sells if we get signs to go down, right? So this week you can just scalp some buys, and then this can be your TP, and then when you get there, just wait and see what the market gives you, and then if you're going the sells, we can take sells. So maybe these sells might happen next week, but this week I'm seeing buys. So that's gonna be it on AUDUSD. We are looking for buys this week, and then from next year, which is next week, we will see how the market looks, and then we can start seeing if we are ready to take our sells, or we can just continue holding our buys. So now let's go to the next one. USD CAD. Nah, let me leave that one. AUDJPY. I'm gonna come back to that one. Let's go to, I wish I did this live so that you guys can just tell me in the comments which way to look at. But next time guys, short notice. So let's do with GA. Let's do GA. So GA, it's a very, very, very tricky one. Okay, so what are we seeing this week here? Okay, Are we gonna get price pushing down? Because even on this side, seems like there's a sign that can give us price pushing down, or we might even consolidate and then push the upside or the downside, whatever way we broke. But looking at the YVNT way, I will say I see price. Okay, we've got this high here, we've got this low, we've got this high. Then we got this area here. Then we come back. So I will see price pushing down. I see this consolidation here that we have, right? So I will see price pushing down with TPs around these levels, right? I see price pushing down until these levels here, 1.8 2000, yeah, 1.8 2000. That's where I see GA going, you know, that's where I see GA going. So this week you can start looking for sells on GA. This week, make sure you are looking for sells on GA. Next week, I still have a feeling that we can still continuing with our sells, but let's see how this week goes. GA, I'm gonna be looking for sells on this one. I'm gonna be looking for sells. Let's go to USDJPY. I'm not going to do indices on this one. Straightforward. We're looking for buys. Straightforward. We're looking for buys on this one. Let's wait. Let's wait. Looking for buys on this one. Let's wait for price to pull back because we just broke our resistance. So we can just wait for price to come back and retest this level, you know, and then we can continue looking for buys. So this week on USDJPY, look for buys. Look for buys on USDJPY this week, guys. Look for buys. Look for buys. That was an easy one. Let's go to another one. NZD chef. Nah, let's skip this one. Looks ugly for me. Let's go to NZDJPY. I'm not gonna do indices. I'm not gonna do indices. USDJPY, NZDJPY. Also looking for buys here. I think I was looking at this yesterday. Looking for buys here. So continue looking for buys. We are bullish on this one. I did have my, okay, bullish on this one. It's pushing up. Or you can even do this. We're pushing up on this one. I see us we're bullish here. Also look for buys on this one. Look for buys, look for buys. Let's go to, I said I'm gonna come back to AUDJPY, right? This one here. Okay. Here we're also looking for buys with our TP at these levels. TP at these levels, guys, at our resistance. If you can take this further, we are looking TP at these levels. So AUDJPY looking for buys, AUDJPY looking for buys. I don't know how many pairs I did so far, but I'm gonna continue and do the last two, right? Let's do the last two. Here. Looking at this one. I would say look for buys with the target at these levels. Look for buys this week with the target at that levels. Look for buys with the target at that level. EURJPY. That's EURJPY for you guys. And the last one should be oil. I never done oil. Okay, I'm gonna do Bitcoin and do oil. Let's start with BTCUSD. Let's use Coinbase. Okay, Bitcoin. Let's just look at this. Let's look at this riding wave here. Let's get this riding wave. Yeah. See this support here? It's been holding nicely. The support has been holding nicely for us here. Right? Is price going to come back and tap here? That can happen. But what are the high chance of price coming there? Let's see. Looking this, using my third eye. Looking at this using my third eye. Here, at this area. Here at this area. We have a resistance. Right. Here at this area, we have a resistance. And where there's a resistance, price drops. And it's currently dropping, right? So is it going to get to 42? Is it 42,000? No, not 42,000. Let's say around 43,000. We can expect Bitcoin to push back to 43,000, or we can look price going up. So I would say wait, but then if you're an aggressive one, look for sells, you know, with your tight risk management on this one. If you're an aggressive trader, look for sales with a tight risk management on this one. Let's go. Let's go to the last one, crude oil. So while I've not been checking this one, but 2022, you guys are gonna be getting a lot of these. So make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to like and share comments below. Let us know what you guys think. If you have any questions, you can just like pop them below. Let me know which one to do next time, you know. Maybe I'm gonna do it next year. Yeah, so I'm gonna come back, let's say the second week or the third week of 2022, because you know I still wanna like make sure that the team, you know, the new members in the community, we welcome them, right? So if you haven't joined our community, make sure to check the link below, you know, and then you can also check our results, our testimony on our Instagram account. I'm gonna put the description below. So let's continue with oil. Oil looks bullish, right? Oil looks bullish. I'm gonna say look for buys this week, right? Now I'm looking at this using my third eye. You guys know by now should know that I have a third eye, you know. So I'm looking at this in my third eye. I see oil going to. I see oil going to $84. We currently, wait, we can also push to $80. Yeah, you can also push also to $80. So that's why I said look for buys, because I see price going there. You know, this is the last one, guys. Enjoy your holidays. I hope you guys had a amazing Christmas with your families. You know, don't worry, it's never late to start now. You know, you're welcome to contact us for anything you need regarding forex, questions regarding our YVNT Academy. So I want to see you guys next year. You know, let's kick some markets next year. Let's kick some market next year. If you're struggling with forex, make sure that you watch our videos, or you just join our academy, you know, and then you're gonna trade like a beast. Cheers. Oh.